Doesn't sound bad until you do the math and you figure out that $90,000 has been paid into that policy. So after 25 years, the cash value inside of this thing is still not caught up just with the contributions that you've put into that. Now, compare that to if you had put that into something that's made 8 to 9% per year invested in the market, they'd have close to $300,000 invested. So again, when you compare the cash value growth in these things to what other opportunities that you have, it just doesn't compare.
Well, and I mean, what the death benefit was $900,000?
About $900,000 in this case, yeah.
And I'm pretty confident by the time, let's say, this gentleman is 50, 65, 70, hopefully he hasn't passed away by then. That $300 a month is going to be a heck of a lot more than that death benefit plus the cash value.
Yeah, go ahead.
I was going to say, and I'm wondering too, because there is such a thing called insurable interest.
Mm-hmm.
How is a 1-year-old worth $900,000? I mean, again, they're precious as your own child, but there has to be a financial benefit.
Right. And I mean, it is kind of weird how you can get around that, because you're right. For someone to get life insurance, there has to be a need for them to have that level of death benefit, where I don't know how you legitimately justify that a 3-year-old needs close to $1 million of life insurance. But you can say whatever you need to. You can push it through underwriting, and obviously it happens. I mean, you see commercials for like the Gerber baby where they have whole life insurance and stuff. And, I think that's not what you want to do. If you want to help out your baby, invest in something that actually grows.
Yeah, and not savings bonds.
That's another thing we see a lot too.
You need to do
savings
one of
bonds,
that one.
2% for 30 years. No, you don't want to do that either.
We got to let you go, but real quick, just to make sure there's no confusion, look in the camera. Should they buy life insurance for retirement benefits?
Do not do that. Not for retirement benefits. Buy it for a death benefit purpose, but not for term. Do not buy life insurance for an investment retirement vehicle.
Harrison, thank you very much.